Hi friends, myself Dr. Jairamaya JR, Assistant Professor of Physics, Government First Grade College, Tiptur, Tumkur District. The title of the paper is Quantum Mechanics 1 for BSc Physics 5th semester. The title of this today's session is Wave Particle Duality. The objective of the session is to elucidate the wave particle behavior, means to explain, to interpret the wave and particle behavior. Today's session outcome: atomic and subatomic particles behaves as a waves. The subatomic particle means proton, electron, neutron, pions, mesons, like this. These are all a large number of subatomic particles. So these particles has behaves as a wave. Wave and particle. What is the meaning of, what is the difference between, and how to understand the wave and particle? A waves as it travels. That waves are the disturbances in a medium or moving is a wave motion. These waves are spread in the larger region of a space. For example, a stone is dropped in a water, the waves, the spherical waves are spread in the larger region on the surface of water. Like this, waves are spread in the larger region of space. Waves are delocalized in the region of space. The waves are delocalized. It is not permanent. Delocalized means it is time being. Waves are delocalized in the region of space. These waves have certain characteristics. The waves having a wavelength, frequency, amplitude, intensity, phase, and wave velocity. So a wave having a crest and trough, the distance between the distance between any two consecutive crest or trough are called wavelengths. The number of waves per second is called a frequency. The maximum displacement of a wave is amplitude. Intensity is square of the amplitude, and phase is wave velocity is nothing but particle, like this. The two or more waves are occupies the same point in space at the same time. This is the characteristic of waves. Two or more waves are occupying the same point in space at the same time. Light energy behaves as a packet of energy. The light energy is also behaves as a packet of energy. These energy packets are called photons. These photons are called particles. Photon is also a particle. A photon is a zero mass and having a momentum. These zero mass momentum particle carry the energy. So this is called the packet of energy. The particles are having maybe mass or massless. Particles are occupying in a definite position in space. Waves are not occupy the definite position, but the particles are occupying in a definite position in space. Particles are moving from one point to another. Particles are having a momentum and energy. Maybe mass, may not be mass, but having a momentum and energy. So this is the concept of the particle. Two or more particles cannot occupy the same space simultaneously. Some multiple choice questions are in this session. Two or more particles cannot interference phenomena. The options are particles are localized, particles have a momentum, particles have energy. Last option, all of the above. So two or more particles cannot interference phenomena. The reason is particles are localized in a region. The particles having a momentum, particles having a energy. So therefore, all of the above is correct answer. Second question, two or more waves having interference phenomena. The waves are localized, waves having energy, waves, more waves occupy the same point, all of the above. So the answer is two or more waves having interference phenomena. So interference means waves are delocalized, but particles are localized. Waves having a energy. So these waves are carrying the energy. More waves occupy the same point. Two or more waves simultaneously occupy the same position because these are delocalized. Hence, the answer is D is the best option. Therefore, answer is all of the above. Diffraction is observed by dash. Waves only, particles only, both particles and waves, all of these. So here, diffraction, particles are also diffraction. De Broglie equation, n lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. Bragg's law shows that particles are diffraction. Photoelectric effect, particles are diffraction. Diffraction phenomenon, waves are also diffraction. So therefore, waves only, particles only, both particles and waves. So the answer is all of this. Waves is also diffraction, particles is also diffraction, both particles and waves are also diffraction. Hence, the correct option is all of these. Fourth question, polarization is observed by waves only, particles only, both particles and waves, all of these. Waves are also polarized, particles are also polarized, both particles and waves are also polarized. The correct option is all of these. Fifth question, waves carries all except, waves carries all except, waves carry the momentum, waves carry the energy, waves carry the frequency, and waves carry the mass. So therefore, among these, which is the correct? Waves carries all of them except mass. Waves carry the momentum, waves carry the energy, waves carry the frequency, but waves does not carry the mass. Mass remain the same position. Waves cannot carry the mass. Therefore, the correct option is mass. Some references textbooks are given. The first reference book is Kshamata Muktavat and A.K. Upadhyaya, Applied Physics, IK International Publishing House Private Limited, R. Murugesan and K. Siva Prashant, Modern Physics, Eston and Company. Thank you.